Yeah. Coming up on the attraction, there's Castle Dome City.
In 1/4 mile, turn left on unpaved road. Turn left on unpaved road.
Museum entrance. And we are at Castle Dome City Mine and Museum. $50 to take a walking tour. So walk along with us. Looks like the barber shop. There's an old-fashioned chair for sure. Different kinds of shaving mugs up here. It's pretty cool. This guy looks like he's been waiting a long time. And you can even set play a game of checkers. And over here, if you can see, there's all kinds of racers. Old and new. And that bowl is full of blades. Here's another bar. As in the Old West, there's lots of bars and saloons and shady characters. And here's the bartender. Hello, Mr. Bartender. Plenty to drink. What's a bar without the women? The Mercantile. First thing that catches my eye is the old-fashioned wood cook stove. Pretty cool. if I can get the ceiling in here, but let me see. Scales to weigh the grain. Sorts of old granite campfire cookware. A ricer. Bags of sugar cane. Oh, canned goods. Here's a smaller stove.
This must be the general store, huh?
The mercantile. There's a kidney cure. And this corner is Doc Carter, the dentist. There's the hotel and the sheriff's office. Like the sheriff is out. Looks like a one-room cell. I don't think that guy had very good luck. What do you think? Stove with a coffee pot. What's left of a saguaro. Some choyas and prickly pears. And this is the hotel.
Come on in.
All right.
Nice in here.
You got a room?
We got several rooms for the ladies.
And they're all upstairs, right?
Yeah.
They're all upstairs.
Look at that bear skin hanging on the wall.
Yeah.
See if I can get my camera to go right.
Save something.
Not a bad little hotel for the day.
No?
It's all vinyl records.
A nice piano here.
RCA.
Oh, we got some vinyls. Wow.
It is Master
Vinyls
Voice.
are pretty popular right now.
Yeah, I seen them. We were in. We were in.
And it looks like a card game.
I did too. I had full.
Card game going on back here. Little gambling tables. And a roulette wheel. All right. Nice bar.
Motown, you have Motown.
Yeah, they did it.
Nice lobby area.
That's funny.
The old
She can really sing, you see.
33. Are those 33s or 78s?
You know, that's a good question. In the earlier time period, they found out they would be 78s, and I'd say these are.
Yep, they sure are.
They look like 78s to me.
Yep.
Whiskey!
What's up with the cleaning?
Kim's going in to gamble.
See, you'd think they have a few poker tables set up, but I don't see it.
They got one right back
Oh, they got them
here.
in the back there?
And they got a craps table and a roulette wheel.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Gambling synonymous with the West.
Yeah. This is the church. Looks like they have pipes from a pipe organ, but it's not the kind of organ this is. This is just a pump organ. Some pedals. Some more pipes. All right, we're entering the bank. The Humboldt Safe Deposit Trust Company. And there's the safe. Let's see if we can get a better view of it. And there's the safe.
Oh, jeez.
You're being recorded for
Shirley is
security
standing back there.
purposes. Give me all your money and I'll put it in a safe place.
Whoever's back there is moving.
Don't give me all your pennies. You're authorized, that's right.
Shirley
That was funny.
made me skip a beat there.
Okay, we're gonna go in the stone cabin. See what's in here. Oh, well, this is a nice cabin.
This is kind of a store.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it says the stone cabin was a busy little place for about 36 years, run by two sisters.
Huh. There's a meat grinder.
Yep. Lot of fun.
I got one, not quite as big.
Yeah, we have one too.
There's the first Yeti right there.
Little warming slash cook stove. Pretty cool. Like a little mercantile, sort of. And they also slept and lived here. There's another Singer sewing machine. Yep. Pretty cool little place.
There's another place you don't talk about really.
This is a cookhouse. There's a table inside there. It says meals at all hours. All set up for guests. Menu. Let's see if we can. Cactus stew, beans, biscuits, and gravy. Oh, look at that big frying pan. That thing's huge. Little roaster oven. I think maybe that's a butter churn. Love the stove. My grandma used to cook on a wood stove, very similar to this one. And I just enjoyed watching her do it. It was just very, I don't know, old-fashioned to me at the time, but I loved it. Okay. So that's the cookhouse. So that's our tour of Castle Dome City Mine and Museum. There is a actual mine tour. If you want to pay $80, they'll take you down inside the mine. But we chose not to do that. Okay, y'all have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.